everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a purple eyeshadow look with the Tammi X Revolution palette. To start, I'm going to need my washi tape again because I want a sharp outline on this one, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on. I'm just going to tape one eye to begin with, that way I don't have to worry about having tape on both sides, because that would be uncomfortable. So to start, I'm going to go in with this color right here, this purple, and then take that to the outer corner of my eye and blend it into my crease. I'm just going to clean that up real quick with a beauty blender I usually use for concealer. And I can touch it up a bit more later. After we've done that, I'm going to go in with this lighter purple right here and make that blend into the rest of my lid, at least halfway through. Now I'm going to go and do a cut crease into nearly the middle of my lid. That way I can put in this light metallic purple right there. Once I have that crease cut, I'm going to go in with this light purple, like I said, and just pack it in there. Now I'm going to go in with the Tarteless Pro palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Vamp, which is right here, and it's just a darker purple so that I can finish out the depths of this look. I'm just going to apply that towards the outer corner. I'm sorry, I meant Drama, not Vamp. And I'm just going to basically outline that right there. All this point I want to outline. Now I'm just going to go back in with this brush, that way I can blend it out, back into my crease, and back into the lid. I'm going to go in with a bit more drama with this brush, just so that crease looks a little bit more complete. For the inner corner, I'm going to go in with Vintage. It's like a light purple, really pale color. It's pretty close to Classic, which is a just a cream tone, I guess, and then this one is paler and purple. I apply that to my inner crease, and now I'm going to go under my eye. I'm going to go in with Drama towards the outer corner. Back to the Tammi X Revolution palette, I'm going to go in with this color and put that at the middle of my lash line, well, below my lash line. Then I'll go in with a light amount of this lighter purple. I'm going to blend that with the light purple I put there earlier. And then for one final aspect of the lid, I'm going to go in with this very metallic purple right here and apply that towards the outer part of my lid. That way it'll blend into the lighter metallic purple and just sit nicely right there. Now I'm going to go and do my liner and eyelashes off camera. Okie dokie, it's not perfect, but it'll do. That's what this eye looks like. I'll have to go in and do my other one, but I'd say it turned out pretty good. Now I'm just gonna go in and do this eye in time lapse. That way you could still see what it looks like if you need to do your other eye, and you just wanna do it along with me. Alrighty, that is the finished look. The lashes took longer than I thought they would, but oh well. If you haven't already, make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. I would appreciate any comments that you decide to leave. Thank you for watching the video, and goodbye.